For DuckDuckGo users, it just got a whole lot easier to sync your browser settings across devices. We'll show you how to enable the new feature while still maintaining your online privacy as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. DuckDuckGo is a web browser, kind of like Chrome or Firefox, but with a twist. Its main goal is to keep you safe from trackers and ads that follow you around the internet. And because of that, it doesn't keep track of your searches or the websites you visit. Now, while that sense of privacy is great, it's made it difficult for DuckDuckGo to implement new features that rely on user data, such as syncing your settings across devices. That's why it came as a surprise when DuckDuckGo recently announced that it was launching a new Sync and Backup feature for its browser users. With this new update, you can keep your bookmarks, passwords, and settings the same across all of your devices, all without having to sign in or give away any personal information. Setting up your browser to sync is super easy. First, make sure DuckDuckGo is on all of your devices. Open the browser settings and look for Sync and Backup. To link your devices, you'll use a QR code on your phone or a special code on your computer. In a world where it's becoming increasingly difficult to keep your online activities private, DuckDuckGo continues to offer a space where you can browse freely without being watched. That said, it's up to you to decide if that privacy is worth giving up some of the features that are now common in other browsers. For example, DuckDuckGo still doesn't allow for passkeys, which offer a more secure way to log into websites than standard passwords. Also, DuckDuckGo doesn't have the option to add extensions to its browser, which has stopped some people from making the switch. Instead, for those individuals that want both privacy and modern features while browsing the web, a virtual private network, better known as a VPN, could serve as an alternative. Rather than just hiding your browsing history, a VPN encrypts all of your internet traffic. This means your entire online activity is shielded from prying eyes, be it ISPs, advertisers, or unintended trackers. For those interested in increasing their online privacy and security, Rocket IT offers organizations personalized advice on the best VPNs for their team's needs. Simply contact us using the link in this video's description for more information. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.